Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and here is the news update. Please watch this amazing youngest and future weather forecaster and meteorologist.
Good morning, Philippines! This will be our weather update for today, Sunday, May 2024. We still don't expect typhoon or any low pressure area in the next 72 hours outside and inside of Philippine area of responsibility. But right now, we are having two weather systems that are affecting our country today, the shear line and easterlies. We will be having a very hot weather today, but expect some localized thunderstorm late afternoon and evening. Hottest area today will be at Dagupan City with heat index of 48 degrees Celsius, and the rest of the country will experience a heat index ranging between 42 degrees Celsius to 47 degrees Celsius. Experts had advised to drink lots of fluids, especially water, to keep hydrated and stay in shaded area. The sun will set today at 6:14 p.m. and will rise tomorrow at 5:36 a.m. For more details, visit our website at as.dost.gov.ph. So that's it for the meantime, our weather today. This is Eliana Reyes Claros reporting live at AS Weather Center. See you again on our weather update. Take care, everyone!
Isn't she such a beautiful, talented, and impressive weather forecaster? At the early age of 6 years old, she can deliver the forecast clearly, concise, and with ease. Shout out to all news station owners. Here she is, Yana, your weather forecaster prodigy, a suitable candidate for the position in the future. Thanks for watching. Please turn on the notification bell so you'll be updated with my new videos. God bless everyone.